Hello everyone! Welcome to the wonderful channel. We're off to see a dam. We're on the road to one right now, heading upstream of the Yahagi River in Aichi Prefecture. The scenery is stunning, making for a charming road trip. Look at this picturesque little farming village. It almost looks like it's floating on the water. Oh look! It looks like we can see the dam from here. Let's stop for a moment and take a look. That's the Yahagi Dam. A dam as big and impressive as the surrounding mountains. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. In no time, we're standing on top of the Yahagi Dam. First, we're gonna go for a walk over the dam. The Yahagi Dam was completed over 50 years ago on the Yahagi Lake Reservoir. This side of the dam is the Yahagi Lake. Let's take a peek on the other side from above. Wow! We're so high!
Wonderful!
How high? About 100 meters. Just seeing it has me shaking at the knees. We brought a drone with us today, so let's fly it. The Yahagi Dam from the sky is an impressive sight. Wonderful! Built with a graceful curved shape, it is said to be the world's first arched concrete dam. It's truly a magnificent sight. If you make a reservation in advance through the website, you can go inside the Yahagi Dam and the outdoor walkways built at its base. We've already made a reservation, so let's head on in. First, we check in at the Yahagi Dam Management Office, run by the Ministry of Land, Infrastructure, Transport and Tourism. After speaking with the staff, we put on our helmets and we're ready to go. We take the elevator 60 meters, or nearly 200 feet down into the dam. It gets colder and colder as we descend. The temperature inside the dam is around 15 degrees Celsius, or 59 degrees Fahrenheit. During the dam tour, you can see where they release the water. Wow! The view from below is also very imposing. It looks like the water is released when that sluice opens. Unfortunately, We weren't able to see it this time, as it only happens a few times a year. If your timing is right, you may be able to see the water being released. We were told a rainbow appears when it happens. We wish we could have seen it. At the end of the tour, they gave us all a commemorative dam card. Yay! After our tour of the Yahagi Dam, we're off to eat dam curry. We've come to Asahi Kogen Genkimura. At restaurant Genkite, the dam curry is available, but only 10 servings a day. Here is the dam curry. The rice is shaped into a giant arch with a generous serving of curry behind it. It looks just like the Yahagi Dam. They even serve it with spoons shaped like shovels. We're going to use them to collapse the rice dam so we can enjoy the water release we couldn't see before. Look! The curry is spilling out from the rice dam. It's deliciously spicy. The curry was so good, we left nothing behind. What do you think of the mighty Yahagi Dam? A massive dam surrounded by mountains of stunning nature. There's lots to do and see at a dam. There are so many beautiful dams in the mountains of Japan, where there is an abundance of lakes and reservoirs. Why not try a dam tour in Japan? If you have been on a dam tour, we would love to hear about it in the comments. We here at the Wonderful Channel have many more places around Japan we want to share with you. So if you're interested in seeing more content like this, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for coming along with us. See you next time.